another song that cannot go play. I think she's not gonna play. Oh, it's song girl, but you're winning right now. And that's supposed to play now?
Tasco?
Cause you're winning right now.
Why is that song supposed to be playing?
You're winning right now. In your quiet team. Good morning, Aubrey. Good morning, Harold. You could have cut your eye till 2022, because that's how long we're going to hold on to the trophy till World Cup come again. Good morning, Marvin. Soldier never really bring no team, so yeah. Yeah. Benji, we team win. Yes, yes, yes. A wrong song gonna start with this morning, but it's alright.
Why don't you just ask them to find winning for you?
Okay, we're winning right now. But you want to sing it in a French?
How would you do that? Do you speak the language?
That's what I said. I did what? What you say, Soldier? Brazil are your team? Sorry about that.
When you can't find the song to do, Leah? You know, some name won't come back this morning, though.
No, you for come, Simmy. You for come, you for come. You for come. You for come, man. Why you wouldn't want to come?
Because of this.
No, it's a part of the World Cup process. Watch Harold Foley and July mega month come. Thank you, Soldier. July mega month come and argument.
Congratulations, Harris.
Thank you. Thank you.
There's your song.
I want to thank, oh, yes.
Le fleur number the fur.
We're winning right now.
We're winning right now.
Lord. I was missing a goal from my phone. Remember the World Cup trophy. We're winning right now.
Trophy was not rose gold.
Any goal, Simone, we don't care which goal. Remember, say Argentina don't even get the bronze medal, so nobody tell me about goal. I'm winning. Yeah.
Have a show today, no? Have a show.
I'm a walking W. Me like that Saska that I can use for them. Hi, everybody. How you doing? I'm a walking.
Made from the elves.
What's on the program? Simmy, please say hi to the folks who are watching us from all over the world.
So why you can't
like
do
the
it?
world, like what Francis champions of. Good morning to the folks on One Spot Media. We love the TelevisionJamaica.com, on Facebook at TVJ Smile Jamaica, Instagram, Snapchat, everywhere. My people in Jamaica. All of the flag man them this morning.
Bonjour, right?
Bonjour. Oh no, yeah.
So look here, you did script that little spiel that you did put on social media?
Oh no,
that
when
just
you
come
win
off of the dome.
Oh, when you
just
win,
pure joy
and relaxation. You know, some World Cup pillar in the car, I should have carry it, come squeeze you out.
I was going to bring mine this morning, but I didn't have
your World Cup pillar? All right.
Still worth something.
All right.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Simone. Thank you, Simone. Thank you. Aubrey can't bring himself to say it, but it's all right. No, Simone, not make it bad, man. Mr. See, Benji, see finger them here, you know.
Cook up.
Hook up, you know. Forgot tell me, say, hook up. All right.
Anyway.
I tell you. It was a great World Cup.
But
I think it was a great World Cup. I think everybody who came in to cheer their team. That's the thing about World Cup, you know, guys. Yeah, bring your team, cheer your team.
Yeah, agreed. No wagging it out.
Everywhere the flags are, it's Independence time. So take the Jamaica flag, thank you, please. Put it on the car.
So what was it about your Blues that made you know they were going to take it home from the beginning? Because you were championing France from day one.
I tell you, Simone, we throw them off. You see, when my coach leave back 6 man out of the squad, 6 big name, Them say, watch idiot. Did you know what I do? The man bringing some people and nobody never prepared for. Them never have no strategy for Mbappe. Them see them say, where am I
Who
go?
have a strategy for that?
Who
He's
is
a
he? Where am I go?
bionic man.
Where am I
Not a
go? Where
real
come
human
from?
being.
Who is Mbappe? Where did you get him
I
from?
think him have battery.
Surprise. We take them by surprise.
Okay, got you.
Surprise.
What was the strategy?
Sir.
Surprise.
Prize.
And if you don't run up your mouth, it does.
Sir, you see them did prepared for Neymar and Messi. That's why what happened to them, happened to them. But them never I don't know how you feel.
Anyway, 4 more years. Not a problem.
Qatar! Nobody not showing a partner for going Qatar. Tell me, man.
You're still waiting on your visa.
No,
Tell us what's on the show.
Show me partner. When you think of summer, you think of the outdoors. But this morning we're bringing the looks of the season indoors when we style your home.
All right, then we style your hair with the folks from Mizani. They're getting to the root of the matter with a few unwritten rules.
Unwritten rules for the workplace. When girl talk time roll around, we're going to tell you how to color inside the lines at the office.
Why? Okay, and you're not too old for a coloring book. Adult coloring books are the latest craze. They are. We're going to show you a few, plus their benefits later on. But right now, let's color in some hot topics.
Yeah.
Speaking of which, it is so hot. How are
Very.
you managing, miss?
Very hot.
Cheese and crime.
This summer is here with a vengeance.
All right, so Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries Minister Audley Shaw is saying that he will be taking steps to stop the illegal import of sugar, coffee and other commodities. Said right now, I guess that's the country, have a stockpile of 32,000 tons of locally manufactured sugar that can be sold because of the illegal importation of white sugar. Some of it is being colored with molasses to give it an appearance of brown sugar. Boy, people them gone to lengths. If we do not protect our local industry, we have nothing, which is really true with any industry that you think about.
What is Minister Shaw saying? People go as far as to go take the
White
put
sugar.
molasses and the white. So when they mix with it and taste funny too, no? Oh my God.
Anyway, in the meantime, he told farmers that there's an urgent need to increase production of Blue Mountain and High Mountain coffee to supply the local stores of American coffee chain Starbucks.
Nice.
We've already started the process, and last year we committed $80 million to begin the support of the resuscitation of Blue Mountain coffee. He said the farmers will benefit from the distribution of fertilizer in short order. Shaw told them Starbucks isn't here to just import all their coffee. They have pledged to work with us. There are 15 locations planned for Jamaica. 5 are already open. I never knew we had so many.
I didn't either.
Mobe, Falmouth,
St. James.
Legally, Mobe, Montego Bay, St. James, Falmouth, Chiron, that's 3.
That's 3.
Okay. Well, 15. I never realized I was putting so much out here. So I guess will that help the folks who are calling about the Starbucks chains opening in Jamaica?
Because when I travel, I drink Starbucks. So I never say Starbucks. The only thing I can say is that it's probably an opportunity for us to create some hot beverage that suits the Caribbean palate and introduce it into the Starbucks line.
Something that is uniquely
Jamaican.
and inherently.
And introduce it into the line and see how we can get that into the chains across
The world.
Let's see if we can do that. I mean, people can buy their coffee wherever they want to buy their coffee, but supporting Jamaica don't mean we have to support other people. People support we as well. So it's just a balance, isn't it?
It's foreign direct investment, right? And Jamaica needs some of that.
It's a balance.
All right, what's happening with the latest wage offer?
Well, the Jamaica Police Federation, which represents rank and file members of the JCF, has rejected the government's latest wage offer and is demanding a livable wage. They declined to disclose the offer, which was submitted last week, saying the matter is under discussion. They say it is undoubtedly clear that the government is not serious about the survivability and sustainability of law enforcement officers. Wow.
This new federation chairman sound like him trying some serious fire though.
We will not accept anything less than a deserving livable wage that will improve our standard of living. Boy, I don't know how we're going to
This
stop this.
consistent, nonchalant approach is tantamount to the reintroduction of slavery, and that must be abolished. That's Arlene McBean, who's the Federation chairman. My word, ever since I was at my knee, I hear policemen asking
Police,
for...
teacher, nurse.
Yes, public sector folks.
It's
real.
a constant, and I don't know. You see, when we're not manufacturing and we're not exporting and we're not earning, we get stuck in a rut like this. And I don't know how much. And to be fair, they put life and limb on the line, and it doesn't make sense. You leave your home with your kids. You go put your life and limb on the line.
Especially when
And
you
then
don't
when
have
you come
the
home, you can't pay the
resources.
picnic, you can't pay the picnic school fee. That's why I'm saying some of the things can we meet. We don't have the money, can we meet some of the people partway, halfway? You know?
What can you give them supplementary to? You can't give them the cash. What else is there that can give them a reprieve?
Yeah. We don't have the cash, but we have to find something. Well, Donald Trump has caused outrage in Washington. That's not hot topics, that happens every day. After backing Russian President Vladimir Putin's denial that Moscow was involved in meddling in the 2016 US presidential election. And he's backing Putin over his own nation's intelligence reports. He said he could think of no reason why Russia would be involved. The condemnation came thick and fast. That's it, fast and furious. Former CIA Director John Brennan said the actions are treasonous. Republican Senator John McCain called it one of the most disgraceful performances by an American president in history. The Arizona Republican said the summit with Putin was a tragic mistake.
I don't know.
One thing I can tell him is that Trump not here. Like, guys, you can go and tell
His own aides are
I
shocked.
think Trump has his own objectives.
He does.
And like a businessman, he set his objectives and he's aiming for them. And him not take on nobody.
The aides said
Now,
they
if
did.
there, I wish he would share the objectives.
He can't.
Maybe there's a reason. He's doing what he's doing, and maybe if you share it, sir, then people would buy in. But people don't know. So right now, it's a lot of controversy.
Nobody could speak yesterday. They said the reams of paper and all the research and all the arguments they gave him to, show some tough, backbone going into the meeting. He discarded everything and did his own thing.
Them can't say anything when them want. So them they are Washington and Trump, them want got Putin country. go on like him want but a Putin. Me not think so. Send the rain and fall a World Cup, Putin put up him umbrella and make President Macron and the president from
But it was in Finland. Them was on neutral ground.
Well.
Anywho.
Putes. Good World Cup, by the way.
Are you a friend?
I'm a friend, man. Him did a good World Cup.
You sound like Trump.
Adidas joins the fight against plastic. It's committed to using only recycled plastic by 2024. Nice, Adidas. Starbucks plans to eliminate plastic straws. McDonald's is trialing a similar program. So more and more companies are coming on board. No plastic it is.
They already started. They're making some shoes that are made with plastic waste already. So that's good.
Front page of the Gleaner. Dump disgrace. Mabay mayor and business leader calls for urgent measures at retirement landfill after major fire. I don't know where in Kingston. Some of us don't know that was happening that side of the country. Major fire.
And then this cartel shocker is indeed a shocker.
It's a shock.
Damning text message came from modified phone line. Tense calm in Mountain View. Those are the stories on the front page of the Gleaner this morning. Where Jamaica is a real place. So them say. Sometimes it don't feel like it.
I need to keep.
Birthdays, Harris.
To the folks, yes, and good morning to the folks at the new Ocherias Fishing Village. Listen, guys, one day all the way I forgot go down there. Pretty bad. And it was opened officially on Thursday. So, want to be them up. This is 5 year. I don't know. Say if me not touch the screen, it'll go dark. This is 5-year-old Jake. See it there? This is 5-year-old Jada. Hi Jada, happy birthday to you. Coming to you from Dad, Richard, and from your mom. She's so cute.
She's adorable.
Happy birthday to you, my darling. Yeah?
I want some more. It look like she eat popcorn.
Jada, enjoy your birthday.
Close shot,
Jada,
Harold.
now take
What's
a-
happening there?
That's a what?
Close up shot like when no one me jump through the TV. You finished?
Yes, I am. my
One
love.
birthday out?
Yes, my love.
You have on birthday strike?
I have a birthday strike. I have a whole heap of people were born yesterday. And then today, I not really. Yeah, whole heap of people. Imani Duncan Price's birthday was yesterday. Whole heap of people. And then
It's true, you're caught up in Le Blues. You probably don't even see the message them. Yes.
I was parlez-vous, you know.
Francais. Yeah. We soon come back. Happy birthday. All right.
Me a show partner for Qatar. Who are coming next?
We know the key to unity of all people is in the dream